Project 3, The Internet of Things by Charity David. What is the Internet of Things, or IoT? The Internet of Things refers to the system where computing devices and other digital machines are interrelated and can transfer data amongst themselves over a network. No human-to-computer or human-to-human interaction is needed. A thing in the Internet of Things can be practically anything. It can be a heart monitor implant, an automobile with built-in sensors to alert drivers, refrigerators that monitor how cool the freezer and refrigerator compartments are, a thermostat that controls temperature through an app, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an IP address and is available to transfer data over a network. Many things are now being equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning many of the devices, home appliances, cars, etc. that we use are able to connect to and exchange data over the internet, and this is not a trend that shows any signs of slowing down. Emerging products and services. Smart homes. Smart home technology has grown a lot in the past few years and will only continue to get bigger. Homes will continue to become more interactive, and technology will be in place not for people to direct the devices, rather the devices will tell people of the house what they should do. Smart cities. States have been incorporating more technologies and sensors for taking the benefits of accessible data collection tools. Forward-thinking cities will invest in pioneering data exchanges that will afford the access and combination of data between private and public organization with citizens. The Internet of Things integration with responsive cities should lessen traffic congestion, unlock sustainable development, and improve safety. Lego app-controlled Batmobile and other smart toys. Lego's new app-controlled Batmobile gives kids and adults a chance to become Batman and control his Batmobile with a remote control app. The Lego company plans to release a coding interface that allows coding of direction, speed, and other movement variables. This is part of Lego's new powered-up connected toy line. The last example of an emerging product or service is a smart water system. Up your lawn care game with a smart water system, which will track hyper-local weather information to determine when to water your lawn. It is Wi-Fi connected so that it can also regulate water usage, detect leaks, and shut down the system automatically to save on water. The system comes with an app to monitor water usage. When creating products for the Internet of Things, here are some design considerations to keep in mind. First, cost. Smart or IoT products help consumers and manufacturers, but they cost more. It's important to keep the consumer's budget in mind when creating an IoT product. Second is features. With an IoT connected product, companies can now add features to their products that were not possible before. These features can get manufacturers direct access to customers for updates, maintenance, and new revenue opportunities. The third is power. One of the first things to consider should be the power source. If the device is powered by batteries, then all design decisions must consider how to preserve power. Fourth is interoperability. Would the product need to communicate with other vendors' products? If so, then a standard set of protocols needs to be adopted to communicate with other products. And last is network. The network technology chosen for an IoT product needs to keep distance of the product from the network source in mind. Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity are important if the product needs access to the outside world, but in a self-contained room, Bluetooth is a good option. Now to address the ethical concerns, the first of which is security. The most well-publicized threat from the Internet of Things is security, in part because small, low-complexity devices are inherently vulnerable, and in part because the industry has yet to get serious about digital security. The second is privacy. The Internet of Things business community needs to address two sides of the privacy issue. First, there are privacy issues that are tied to security, and second, there's the question of what data device manufacturers should be allowed to collect. Both of these issues raise ethical concerns. The last issue is agency, and it's closely tied to the other two issues. As IoT-enabled devices become more closely integrated into our lives, they could end up robbing us of some degree of agency, either through nudging us to make conscious decisions that are not our own, or by making decisions for us that we are not aware are being made. The Internet of Things is definitely the future of technology, but it is already a part of our lives. Businesses and individuals are already finding significant value from using IoT-connected devices. As their numbers grow, as they're predicted to do, it will be important for us to make hard decisions about how we're going to deal with the ethical issues that they raise.